Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install Firefox Browser in a Windows 10 operating system. So, let's begin. Now to install Firefox Browser, you need to first download it. So for that, just simply go to your favorite browser and in here just simply type Firefox download, then enter. And then you'll be seeing this www.mozilla.org is basically our first search result. To download Firefox, you need to just simply click on this download Firefox browser. So just simply click on that. And then if you just scroll down a bit, you'll be seeing this button called download Firefox. So just simply click on that. This will automatically going to start downloading your Firefox. As you can clearly see, the Firefox installer has been already downloaded over here. So just simply click on the show in folder, and now here you can clearly see this Firefox installer has been rightly downloaded over here. To install Firefox, just simply double click on it, and then just simply minimize my download directory. This will automatically going to launch your Firefox installer wizard, and it's now currently installing. The thing is, you need to have an active internet connection right throughout this installation, because it will download Firefox at the back end. The only thing that will be visible is that it's installing, but it's actually going to download the entire Firefox browser at the back end. So you need to have an active internet connection right throughout this installation. It might take some time, maybe a couple of minutes. So for which I'll be coming back after installing Firefox. And now as you can see, our Firefox has been rightly installed, and our desktop shortcut of Firefox has also been created, and also our Firefox has been rightly pinned in our start menu. So here the Firefox is currently telling us whether we would like to make Firefox as a default browser. So for which I like to make Firefox as a default browser, because this is one of the most beautiful browser that is ever made. So for that, just simply click on this set default browser, and in here under this web browser you can change it to Firefox, and then just simply cancel it. This will automatically going to make your Firefox as your default browser. And now it's telling that whether we'd like to import all password and bookmarks that we used to use in other browser. So for which you can click on the start import depending upon what PC you are using. For the time being, I'm just going to click on this not now, and they are basically asking us what theme we'd like to choose. So I think this is a very good theme, nice pinkish effect. So just simply click on done, and here you can search anything. Like if you want to visit our website called geekyscript.com, then just simply click on enter. You will be able to see our website called geekyscript.com. In here you will be seeing various tutorials along with some blogs that I have written. So do check our website geekyscript.com. So in this way you install Firefox in a Windows 10 operating system. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and also do share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.